How you guys doing today? So I decided to do a review video for the KitchenAid. This is the 7-cup one. Let me turn it around from the Spanish one. I can read that one, but still. So it's a 7-cup food processor from KitchenAid. I got this from the actual website because usually I order everything from Amazon, but I noticed some of them weren't like, I don't know, they didn't seem like the original product. So this is just an unboxing of it. I actually took it out already, but I have not opened it. Comes with a manual, of course, right here. Let me see what's through it. Just different ways to hook it up, different ways to utilize it. So that's pretty useful. Alright, so let's see what we got, okay? I'm doing this with one hand here, so bear with me. This is the base. I got the red one because I have the Home Geek blender, which is a high-speed blender that looks just the same color. So let's see what this bad boy looks like. So this is what the base looks like right here. Oh, that's nice, yeah. Let my camera focus on it. So that's the KitchenAid right there. It's got the low speed, it's got the high speed, and it's got the pulse, which is really nice. So they've made this so simple. I like this one. The reason why I got this one is because I watched several videos and research and such just to make sure I got what I like. And it has the lock lid, so you don't have to switch it, like turn it like the normal ones. I'll show you guys what I mean. So here's the blades. Perfect. You got your slicing blade. Now I did see the one that was on QVC came with a dough blade. I don't believe this one comes with the dough blade, which maybe you can order it separately, I'm not sure. So that's that lock lid I was telling you guys about. See right there? It's different than how normal food processors are. So let's see. Just kind of take this over here. Oh, it's taped down. But you put this open over here, and this can be removed. There you go, see? You can remove that. And then just clicks back in on the other side. Which is pretty cool. It's awesome. Let me see if I can put you guys down for a second. Okay, so this part locks into there, and that's how you get it to stay on. And you can put it in there, and then you can simply take it off and wash it. It's all machine washable. Now inside of it, it has the big hole and also has the smaller hole for your smaller vegetables that you want to put in there, maybe your celery or such, or if you just want a few of them, which I really like that too, how it has 2 separate conveniences. And the reason why I got this one too is because you can actually house the blades within the container and keep it all together so that your kids won't cut themselves and get into them accidentally. Just be careful because these blades are super duper sharp, so try to just stick on the outside. The capacity again is 7 cups, which is 1.7 liters. I can't wait to try this out, so yeah. It's easy to use, easy to clean, easy to store. Accessory store inside the bowl, sealed, leak-resistant bowl, twist-free bowl, and lid. It's perfect. And it comes with a 1-year warranty unless you buy the extended warranty. So stay tuned for my channel for nice and exciting different recipes that I might be using with this. Alright.